A. A for apple. B. B for balloon. C. C for camel. D. D for donkey. E. E is for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें. J is for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N is for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T is for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Last Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़